I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to make a difference. I have a special guest with me here today, which is Sue Pope, and Sue's been working on an online course, Mastering the Art of Yin Yoga for teachers. You know, we all want to keep upskilling, but I'd love to know what you do to make a difference, as well as not just providing this online. I know you're doing a lot around the areas between where am I, Brisbane and Cairns, with yoga retreats as well.
Yes, so I teach yin yoga classes here on the Sunshine Coast, and my partner Wendy teaches yin yoga and qigong in Cairns. So together we're the Yoga Soul Sisters, and we offer self-care retreats on the Sunshine Coast, in Cairns, and within Australia. So yin yoga, how that makes a difference for me and for others is when you come into a yin class, it's really coming for a time for you to connect with yourself, to become aware of how you're feeling, not only physically but mentally, emotionally, and having time to really come into a deep relaxation. So we're working for joint health and flexibility in the body, but also every pose is held for 3 to 5 minutes. So that quiet time when you're still, we can notice what we're thinking, and it's like a little meditation each pose. So really it's all about getting to be relaxed and getting in touch with that, turning on that calm nervous system to rest and digest.
So you actually make a difference to allow people to relax, be calm. Our world's so busy. We race to work, we race home, we race to exercise, and we race back home again. And even in COVID, being home, we're still racing around doing different things, and so many more emotions with all the family around. Yeah. So it's a time for you. Yin, from my practice with you, has been amazing, that it just settles the body. You have time, you have peace, and the best thing is we get to stretch and hold, so we can find out, is there anything going on in the body? Is there a sore spot that we can relax into?
That's right.
So I want to thank you so much for what you do in the world. So don't forget, reach out to thesoulsisters.com.au, and perhaps you might like to take yourself. And actually, you've got husbands coming on a retreat soon.
Yes, in August at Mission Beach, we have got a beautiful retreat space called the Sanctuary. So it's the 20th to the 22nd of August, and husbands are more than welcome. If they want to join in for the yoga and the qigong, they can. But if they just prefer to walk on the beach and relax, they can do that too.
Well, I like the sound of that. So here's to Mission Beach in Cairns. See you soon. Have a great week. Bye.
Thank you.